डिटेक्टेड। और जो लोगों को जिनको HIV नहीं है, दे आर फ्री ऑफ HIV, 99% टेस्ट हुआ, जिनमें से 99% लोगों का HIV नेगेटिव आया और 1% diagnosed as HIV positive. Now from a large population which have only 0.1% of person which has HIV, so what is the probability that the person actually has HIV और उसका डिटेक्ट भी हुआ है HIV और actually उसको HIV positive है. Let even person actually has HIV E2, person selected is not having HIV. A, person's HIV test detected is positive. Person's HIV test diagnosed as positive. Probability of E1 actually है कितने लोगों को 0.1%. So 0.1 upon 100, 1 upon 1000. E2, probability of E2 is total probability minus actually जितने persons को है 0.001. 1 minus 0.001, 0.999. Now probability A upon E1, detect positive हुआ है और उनको actually है, so that is 90%, so 90 upon 100. Now probability A upon E2, detect positive हुआ है लेकिन उनको नहीं है, that is 1%, 1 upon 100. Now what we want to find probability E1 upon A. So the required probability is E1 upon A, detect positive हुआ है और actually भी उस person को HIV है. So probability of E1 0.001, probability A upon E1, probability E A upon E1, probability of E2 A upon E2 0.01. So after solving we get 90 upon 1089. Now the next one is bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black balls. Bag 2 contains 4 red, 5 black balls. One ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2. One ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2. Then a ball is drawn from bag 2. Then a ball is drawn from bag 2. The ball so drawn is The ball so drawn is found to be red. The ball so drawn is found to be red in color. Find the probability that transferred ball is black. Transferred ball is black. Transferred ball is black. Note up to here. Let E1 be the event. Ball transferred from bag 1 to bag 2 is red. इवन हमने इवेंट लिया कि जो बॉल ट्रांसफर हुई है एक बैग से दूसरे में, फर्स्ट से सेकंड में, दैट इज ऑफ रेड कलर. और E2 इवेंट लिया कि जो बॉल ट्रांसफर्ड हुई है दैट इज ऑफ ब्लैक कलर. नाउ ए ball drawn from second bag is red. Now probability of E1. What is the probability of E1? कि जो बॉल ट्रांसफर हुई है that is of red color. तो रेड कलर की probability कितनी है? 3/7. और probability of black color is 4/7. Now probability A upon E1. बॉल सेकंड में से जो ड्रॉ हुई है that is of red color. E1 की रेड कलर की ट्रांसफर हुई है. सेकंड बैग में हमारे पास 4 रेड बॉल्स थी, लेकिन जो बॉल ट्रांसफर हुई है that is of red color. So now number of red balls in bag 2 is 5. So that is 5/10. Now probability A upon E2. जो बॉल ट्रांसफर हुई है that is of black color. So number of red balls in second bag is 4 and total number. So 6 blacks now. 6 black balls. So 6 plus 4 10. So that is 4/10. Now what we want to find? Probability E2 upon A. Second बैग में से बॉल ड्रॉ की गई है. Probability of E2 A upon E2. Probability of E1 A upon E1. E2 A upon E2. 16 upon 70. 15 plus 16 upon 70. 16 upon 31. Now next question, question number 17. Suppose that 5% of men and 0.25% of women, 5% of men and 0.25% of women have grey hair. A grey-haired person is selected at random is the probability of this person? What is the probability of this person being male? Assume that there are equal number of males and females. There are equal numbers of males and females. E1 is the event person selected is male. E2 event person selected is female. A is the event that person selected is grey haired. Person selected is grey haired. Probability of E1 and E2. Since number of males and females are equal, so probability of E1 and E2 is 1 by 2. Now probability A upon E1, number of men who have grey hair 5% and number of women who have grey hair is 0.25%. Now what we want to find, the person selected is male. Probability E1 upon A. E1 is male. So probability of E1, A upon E1, 1 by 2 is common. So A upon E1 plus E2 upon A upon E2. 1 by 2 will get cancelled. 5 by 100, take the LCM. 5 multiplied by 100, 525. So 20 upon 21. Note it down. A bag contains 4 balls. Two balls are drawn at random and are found to be white. What is the probability that all balls are white? What is the probability that all balls are white? So probability E1, E2, E3 इन तीनों में से किसी भी एक केस को चूज करने की probability that is 1/3. Now probability of A upon E1, इसमें 2 white balls है and 2 balls of other colors. So 2 white में से 2 balls draw करिए और total 4 में से 2. So 2C2 upon 4C2, its value is 1/6. Now probability A upon E2. Now there are 3 white balls. So 3C2 upon 4C2. After solving it, we will get 1/2. Now probability of A upon E3. All the 4 balls are red, so 4C2 upon white. So 4C2 upon 4C2, that is 1. Now what we want to find probability of E3 upon A. All balls are white. So probability of E3 into A upon E3. 1/3 is common in all. So probability A upon E1 plus probability A upon E2, A upon E3. 1/3 will get cancelled. Take the LCM 6. So 3/5. Required probability is 3/5.